Hello guys, welcome back to CAD Make. In this tutorial we are going to draw a helical gear in Solidworks. We'll use some of essential commands and features like Extruded Boss command, Smart Dimension command, Extruded Cut command, Circular Pattern command to give our sketch a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. Now go to the Sketch, click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Take the Line command. Start the sketch from the origin. First, draw the sketch roughly. And later give it dimensions. Here we see we have created the sketch. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Select this line. Hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this line. First make it collinear and then make it equal. Now go to the Smart Dimension. Give the dimension to this line as 22 mm length. Click OK. Dimension of this line is 25 mm. Click OK. Length of this line is 6 mm. Click OK. Length from this line to this one is 60 mm. Click OK. Length of the last one is 10 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Zoom out the sketch a little like this. Now take the Fillet command. Give the fillet radius as 2 mm. First select this corner. Click Yes. Then select this corner. And click Yes. Now simply click OK. Here we see the sketch is fully defined. Rearrange the dimensions like this. Click OK. And click on Finish. Now go to the Features. Click on Revolved Boss command. Select this line as axis of revolution. Click OK. Make it normal. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw a circle here in the origin. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command and give the circle diameter as 25 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now take the Center Rectangle command and draw it here on circle quadrant like this. Click OK. Active the Smart Dimension command and give the rectangle length as 8 mm. Click OK. Distance between the rectangle and the origin point is 14.5 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now take the Trim Entities command and erase all these extra lines like this. Click OK. Zoom out. Now go to Features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select Through All. Click OK. Here we see a perfect cutout is created. Now select this circle and click on Chamfer. Select this one as well. Give the chamfer value as 1.5 mm, make sure chamfer is on 45 degrees. Click OK. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Line command. Draw a line from the origin point to upward like this. Click OK. Again take the Line command and draw another line like this. Click Exit. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the degree between these lines as 18. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now take the Circle command and draw a circle here in the origin point like this. Click OK. Active the Smart Dimension command and give the circle diameter as 104 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now take the Trim Entities command. Erase all these extra lines like this. Click OK. Take the line command and draw a line here like this. Click OK. Click on Smart Dimension command. Choose this line and this one. Give the degree between these lines as 70 degree. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now take the Trim Entities command. Erase all these extra lines and the circles from here like this. Click OK. Now go to the pattern and take the Circular Pattern command. Give the origin point as a reference. Click in Pattern Entities tab. Select these lines one by one. Give the pattern's number as 19. Click OK. And then click on Finish. Now go to the features. Click on Extruded Cut command. Make it normal. Give the direction through all. Click OK. Here it looks perfect. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Go to the line and take the Center Line command. Draw a center line from the origin towards downside like this. Press Escape button. Now take the Circle command and draw a circle here in the origin like this. Click OK. Click on Smart Dimension command and give the circle diameter as 76 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Take the Circle command again and draw a circle here on quadrant. Click OK. Active the Smart Dimension command and give the circle diameter as 10 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now go to the pattern and click on Circular Pattern. Select the circle. Give the pattern number as 3 at 360 degrees. Click OK. Rearrange this dimension line. Now go to the line and take the Center Line command. Draw a center line from the origin point to the small circle center point like this. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command and make sure all the three circles are at 120 degrees to each other. Click OK. Now go to the features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select all the three circles and make sure Extruded Cut is through all. Click OK. Here we see we created a perfect helical gear. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful tutorial of helical gear. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.